Okay, back of the truck. I got the rails in for the fifth wheel. Got my generator back in there. And look what we got here. We have a Curt E16 fifth wheel hitch. This is what we got. And we're going to put that in right now. It'll do 16,000 pounds. Vertical load is 4,000. Okay, let's get it unboxed, see what we got. Okay, inside the box we have this assembly here. That's going to take two hands to get that out of there. Okay, there we go. Comes in two pieces. All right, one piece that's probably 30 pounds. And this piece looks like it's in two pieces. More or less three pieces. And then the centerpiece, which you're going to be able to adjust the height. So look at that, man. They really bent that sucker. They dropped this. All right. Now, how am I going to straighten that out? I got some big pipe wrenches. Fix that right up. We have a handle. We have a bunch of bolts and some of these pins. And we have some instructions. So first I'm going to figure out how to straighten this up. And going to need a couple big pipe wrenches. Be right back. Okay, let's see how these go together here. Goes good. Let's go good. This piece here looks like it could go either way. Look at that piece. Looks like we have four big bolts here. We only have four of these washers. Washer, bolt, bolt. I'm not sure what the height I need it at. I'll put it at the tallest height for now. Two washers, one here, one bolt here. These are locking washers. They have that neoprene molded into the nut. Well, I would say that was pretty easy. And we have a bunch of these. We have 4 that are the same size, and we have 2 small ones. I'm sure these are going to go in here. That there's the direction. They're going from the outside in, so. Like that. Iron is very hot here in the sun. Probably a better time to do it. Okay. Now we need this cradle thing here. What'd you call that? Call that the head? Shade. Okay, I'm going to take this head right back here. Cool. This does not have much play this way at all, if any. These 2 little goodies are going to go right in here. Couple pins. That makes this a one-man job. I like that. Your handle little bolt hole right here. It's going to line up with this one. Again, it's a locking nut. This handle can go on two different ways. First time I put this bolt in, it was the wrong way. So I need this to go up. That. Sure. Like that. Okay. The first time I had the bolt in, yeah, it doesn't matter which way is up or down, but it only goes on a little quick. It'll go on either way, but it only pulls one way. So if I had it on the first time, I could pull it, the handle was down. Now I can grab it and pull it up. I'll show you that. Oh, that's hot. Okay, now my handle can come up. Well, I think I can pull it. There we go. Now it's locked in place. And if we back our fifth wheel in, get a little hammer here to act as the ball. We back our fifth wheel in, that locks in place. So we're good. Then you can also have this downward position, put your lock in here so nobody can mess with pulling this, like when you're getting a burger or something inside. So that's it. That's how it operates. My first mistake. Okay, maybe not my first mistake. That's it. The link to this video is about the length it took me to install this thing, after my rails were in, of course. So thanks for watching, and happy RVing. This is to get a small fifth wheel, so I'm going to replace that little the little motorhome I have had. I've got a good truck here. I've only got like 86,000 miles on it. Good 2500 8-liter Allison transmission. Good tow vehicle. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Thanks for watching.